Hey everybody, we got the Apple Watch Ultra 3 here, and we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing. So with that being said, let's go. Never had the Ultra series before, so I am thoroughly... What is this? Oh, it's the whole... I'm not used to this. Cool. All right, that's something fun. Got the band and the watch itself. Put that off to the side. We'll start by peeling the tabs off. There's 1 and 2. Come on. Wow. Nice and big. And then we'll open this one up. Get that band on. Let's see. I don't even know how this one's gonna work, but we'll figure that out. Come on. There we go. 1, 2, and then the third piece, not really sure. Oh, it tells me what to do. Go ahead and peel this open. We're not keeping the plastic, it's fine. That is nice. Now let's figure out how this band works, because I honestly don't know. Number 1, attach the band until you hear a click. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's put the band on. And then let's see. What? I guess I should try it on first. See what I need to do with it. Let's see. Where's it at? And then go right here. There we go. Yeah. We got that on. Now it's time to set it up. So I'll check back in.